Hi, all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So, this is for tomorrow's analysis Nifty and Bank Nifty market profile learning. So, before getting into the analysis, we'll have a quick overview of the January 11th, 2025 batch, which we are going to start in English. And it's going to be a weekend session, Saturday and Sunday. Per day, it is 3 hours of training where we cover the market profile from basics till advanced level, and along with that we'll also add order flow as a supportive document to have the conviction with the market profile data. And again, both market profile and order flow will combine together, will form the trade setup. So that is for intraday scalpers in swing and long term position. If you are really interested, kindly contact the WhatsApp number. The registration is going on. And we do have a separate telegram group for monthly wise training, so where we'll be connected to a live trading session Monday to Friday. Where we will be chatting for any queries that you have been addressed to it, or we'll be assigning some homeworks accordingly. So based on that to and fro, a lot of chart works will be there. So getting into the today's Nifty. So Nifty is completely a balanced market. Even the index is a completely balanced market, both Nifty and Bank Nifty today. But especially if you see Nifty, what is the main advantage of Nifty to see here is on the upside it is perfectly getting resisted. So yesterday we have discussed a video, we have placed a video where we have discussed a lot of things, especially the resistance point and the support point. So one of the important resistance point is the selling single prints, which you have discussed yesterday. So exactly, Nifty got its rejection at the level of 23,900 where the sellers are sitting. So the resistance is very clear, and it has got struck between the selling single print and the POC. So POC as an initial support, yes, exactly, the POC worked as an initial support 23,750 to 700 levels where it got its support today. But it's completely a balanced market creation of PPOC, and there is no IB extension. Market closed below this PPOC but above this level of 23,700. And so far Nifty is still protecting this level of 23,600 level, which we have discussed many times in our video. And especially this is a peacock of 22nd November, which was created, and because of this peacock, Nifty could not break this level. 23,560 to 600 is a strong support for Nifty, and no closure happens below this POC. So that's how the POC is very, very effective. So if you see just like that, it could be a normal POC or a normal peacock, but inside the POC, inside the peacock, there will be a lot of hidden information, how the data is forming and what data is giving you a POC, what data is giving you a PPOC. That becomes the POC is a stronger or a weaker one. That decides the POC is going to be a stronger or a weaker, or an intraday resistance or a multi-level resistance. So it all differs, which we'll discuss in training as well. We'll discuss a lot. But as of now, Nifty, if at all Nifty started to go on upside, then definitely we have a resistance on this level 23,900 to 24,000 and 24,200. But on the downside, which we have to be careful, is 23,600 to 550. If this level breaks and Nifty have its closure almost below this level, because for the first time it is going to have its close below this level, because so far it has not happened recently. So if it is going to have this close below this level, then definitely this peacock could be the next level of potential support, that is 23,300 to 400. So as of now, Nifty is a balanced market, so creation of peacock. So tomorrow we'll see how the profile is formed. But Reliance, accordingly, Reliance not broken this level, that is 1200 level was not broken yet. So it is a key level to watch, as we discussed yesterday. So Reliance also a kind of P-shaped profile, but not too good. But again, if you see here what happens, the PPOC is a protection. This PPOC is a protection, and it's a multi-level protection, multi-days protection now, 4 to 5 days of protection. So that's how every POC and PPOC differs accordingly. And Bank Nifty, regarding Bank Nifty, so before getting into Bank Nifty, we'll have a look over the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank 1700 to 1690, which we have already discussed in our Tamil channel, which is a very, very important level. Today, exactly, HDFC actually had a stop over here. Why it is so? I'll tell you the reason. Because it is a very important level for HDFC. After 1740, this is a very, very important level. So HDFC, accordingly, if you see, this level is a key level. After this level, market started to give a initiative breakout. So after this initiative breakout, what happened? Market started to come along with this level. So if this 1700 breaks, then 1640 is the very, very important and potential support for HDFC. So key support, it has stopped exactly on the key level, but we have to be careful whether this level is going to break further on downside or it is going to act as a support. But if you see HDFC last 2 days, it was in the same place of POC and PPOC creation. So this is going to be one of the hidden information which we'll discuss a lot like this in our training again. So HDFC Bank, and moving on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again, if you see what happened, this is a very important peacock which we have discussed last time. The very important peacock is 50,300. After this, what happened, yesterday there is a close below this level, but if you see this one more peacock, yeah, this peacock. So very, very important level. We have been looking for an appropriate close above this level or a bill or below this level, because recent times Bank Nifty didn't break this level. Even though it has come to this level, the market has a close above this level only. So it didn't break this level yet. That is after 16th of August. So key level to watch is 49,900 to 50,000. But as of now, Bank Nifty is at the level of peacock of 50,500. And last 2 days, if you see, Bank Nifty is on the same place of POC and peacock. It's a balanced market, no IB extension. So if at all Bank Nifty started to come on upside, first level of resistance is 5,800 and 51,000, obviously psychological number, and 51 300 to 400, because you have one more resistance over here. And on downside, if Bank Nifty started to come, there's a key level to watch. Until this level breaks, Bank Nifty keep on taking support. So it is a very important alert. If this level breaks, then we have to be careful. Bank Nifty is on the downside. Then it will tell you very clearly this is on downside. Then we have to search for the next potential stop and all. So below. So if at all this level is not broken, Bank Nifty started to bounce from here, and at least the resistance, first level of resistance would be, as we mentioned, it is 5,800 and 51,000 and 51 to 300 to 400. But we have to be careful when there is a breakout happen below this level of 49,900 and especially 49,800, which is a very, very important level to watch for Bank Nifty. So with that note, kindly do your analysis before you take trade. This is purely for education purpose, and thank you all for watching. If you really like the English analysis, a separate video for English analysis, kindly do like, share, and comment on it, so that I could able to know this kind of practice is going to can be continued or not. So this kind of English and Tamil session separately is going to be can be continued or not. So I could get some idea. So kindly comment on it. Thank you all.